SceneMax3D version 1.6.7 was released, and introducing some amazing features such as all new vehicles physics engine, a new racetrack ready to be used in your racing games, a new wait for command, and more. In addition, for the first time, the installation software is digitally signed so you can rest assured that you are getting your copy of SceneMax3D from a verified publisher. In the heart of this new version there is a new vehicles physics engine with 4 new built-in vehicles including an extreme race cars and an off-road buggy. You can tune the vehicle's engine power, suspension setup and tires friction to suit your game's needs. The new wait for command allows waiting for a key press or any other generic Boolean expression before continuing to the next program commands. This gives you an easier state management control in your games. Thanks for watching.